Getting off the ship again in Bonaire. Kralendijk. Kralendijk. Everybody pronounces it differently. So, how do you pronounce the name of this city?
No, I can't.
How do you pronounce the name of this? What about you, Shamu?
Do you know what is the name of the city?
Get a picture, man.
Yeah.
How would you pronounce the name of this city?
Kralendijk.
Kralendijk?
Yeah, Kralendijk.
Grazie. Grazie. That sounds like the right answer. Kralendijk. So, it's still the Norwegian Pearl. It's still about 80 degrees. We went snorkeling down over there earlier. We're gonna look around the town here a little bit. See what there is besides snorkeling. Off the ship again, came up here, main road. This time we're going right. Go down the street a little bit. Lots of little places to shop in. Places to eat and drink. The main road is right there. I decided to walk along here a little bit. You can see how clear the water is there. I'm thinking you can see how clear that is. And there's little tour people set up here. Try to get us to go on tour with them. Janice says, look at that fish right there. You see that? Oh, there's a whole school of them. Probably can't see those very well. They're big and brightly colored. Guess we could have just snorkeled here. Come down that ramp. Walk down this little brick area, going back up these stairs. You can see all the cruise ship passengers. We're the only ship in town going back and forth. So there must be a lot of shopping over this way, right? You can hear the announcements on the ship even. Well, here's Kim. She lives at the North Pole.
And I'm sunburned, so I'm dressed as a bear today to go shopping.
Aren't you hot?
I am hot.
Say hi to your kids.
Guess who? Guess who is in this port also? Ask for your language. The world over. This looks like an awkward transition from street to no street. I see a cannon. This must be a fort. A big truck's gonna go by. But he can't make that turn.
Another truck's coming in this way.
Let's cross. Quick. See that cannon up there? Now I bet you can. Another one there. Tower. Looks like a lighthouse though. Some sort of fort. Now let's see if I can get back down off of here. think they use those anymore. Don't know what that says. But there's a gun port. I guess it's pretty useless these days. This is the Plaza Reina Wilhelmina, my bad. And Hof van Justiti. Gemeenschapelle. Balloon. So I guess I didn't have to climb up those rocks. I could just come right here.
Look, they have wooden wheels.
We walked around the bend there. There's the cannons, the little fort. Came across this place. Hey, there's people in there. I don't know if it's the governor's mansion or what, but they're going in. Got a little dove coming to visit us. We're gonna walk down there. Looks like more shopping. So we're in here somewhere. There's a big stadium right there, I think. Hi. Here's some swap meet type people selling. This guy looks like they have shave ice. They call it Bonaire snow. Apparently they change their license plates yearly too. And here's Bonaire sea salt. Take a little piece home with you. And here's the best souvenir from Bonaire. Cactus liquor. Oh, here it is.
Blonde hair and I look like him. Oh. And people, they think that I am Polish. Oh.
Flavored salt.
Sea salt for good for the shower. I mean, these ones are for use in the shower.
Oh, bath and scrub salt. Okay.
These are for bathtub, salt for cooking in the other side.
Wow, smells like spice over here.
Oh yes, I am hungry all the time because of this. Different herbs and also flavors.
And how would you say the name of this town?
Kralendijk.
Okay.
Kralendijk.
I think
And
eight. I've not got the same answer twice.
really,
Yes,
what do you hear?
you name it. Most people, I can't say it.
Okay.
Kralendijk, Kralendijk, Kralendijk,
Oh, maybe.
Kralen,
Maybe because. Maybe.
Kralendijk.
Maybe because as this island, most of the people speak 4 languages. They pronounce maybe in Spanish, maybe in Spanish, maybe in Netherlands, maybe in English.
You sound like the guy
I
from.
pronounce it in English.
You sound like the guy from Aruba. They make you learn 4 languages in school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yes.
Well, anyway,
My daughters are in the school and they are already talking 4 languages.
so there you have it. Not a definitive answer. There are many ways to say it, and he kind of explained why. Bless you. Go again. Whoa. This goes on and on for a while. This Doesn't necessarily seem like it's for tourists. I mean, some of it definitely. There's stuffed animals. I don't know. Photographs and memories. We find ourselves at a town with a lot of restaurants and stores. Of course, I guess we're already in a town. So let's say another street. I hope that's a one-way street. I don't know how two cars are going to pass on that street. And they're all aimed the same way. I'm going to walk down here a little way longer and then head back. Look at these buildings, huh? I'm going to try to walk on this side of the road. They are really painted up. This, of course, is some sort of construction. See? Probably can't see anything in there. But these are pretty brightly painted. How do you say the name of this city?
Here?
Yeah.
Kralendijk.
Okay.
Kralendijk.
Okay. Here's the pastel-colored buildings. That's the Harborside Mall, I guess. We just got our free gift at the Milano Diamond Gallery. There's probably more down there, but it looks pretty empty. We're going to go in this mall for a little bit, see what's up. It's almost noon. Oh no, it's just after 11. It's pretty warm here, but not horrible. Got your liquor here. Got your Curacao red and blue and yellow and orange and white. $10 a bottle. Of course, they're going to take that away from me on the ship. Not sure. Oh, vodka cocktails. Are you lavish? There's a to-go pack. Mermaids this way. Oh, frozen yogurt. Willie's dark chocolate fudge.
It's the best.
Is the best.
It is the best.
How do you say the name of this
Yes,
city,
really.
though? How do you say the name of this city?
Kralendijk.
Okay.
Kralendijk.
Okay.
Right? Willie's dark fudge.
I don't like fudge. But thanks. Piranha Joe Bonaire. That's scary. Oh, look, they have shirts. And a store. I wonder if it's a restaurant or a bar or something. Pizza. This is, oh no, this is Del Sol. Carrie Aloha. Well, we walked through that mall, the Harborside Mall, I believe it was called. After this step, and we're back out to the ocean and another one-way street with a car in the other direction. The ship's right there, and I believe we're about ready to head back to it. Here's a water taxi. I'm not sure where it takes you. Klein Bonaire, Spice, Eden, Cocoa Beach. No price. My guess is they decide on the price when they look at what you're wearing or how you speak. It's a submarine with a smile. It's a whale of a sea. Diving while listening to Bob Marley. What? Whale of a tail, a tail of a tail. So we could have snorkeled right here, I suppose, too. Although it's not very private. Where we were, there was only a couple other people.
This must be called the dock. Do not find our dock.
Ah. All right. So we're going to head back to the ship, right?
Yes.
Right. So let's just say
Monkeys out.
how do you pronounce the name of this town?
Cicana.
No, the town, the city we're at.
Bonaire.
Okay, that's the island. How do you pronounce the name of this town?
Bonaire.
No.